Hello everyone, welcome to Selenium. Today's topic is GoToUrl in Selenium WebDriver. GoToUrl is one of the first and most important methods in Selenium automation. It is used to navigate the browser to a specific web application. When we write automation, the very first real action is opening the application URL. Without GoToUrl, Selenium has nothing to interact with. Go, GoToUrl internally sends a navigation command to the browser through the WebDriver. The browser then loads the page just like a real user typing the URL in the address bar. In real projects, GoToUrl is commonly used at the start of every test, before login flows, before validating page titles or elements. This makes GoToUrl a foundational step in every Selenium test. Now, let me run the application and show you how GoToUrl works. Selenium launches the browser, navigates to the Cogmento application, prints the title and also the URL in the console. This confirms the navigation is successful. GoToUrl is the entry point of Selenium automation. Next, we will continue with more navigation and browser control methods. Thank you.